Hello everyone, welcome back to new video once again. So today I will be talking about translating English. So can you just have a look? This today is three sentence. এটা অত সহজ নয় কিন্তু তোমার চেষ্টা করা উচিত. Can you translate it? Number two, তোমার ভাবা উচিত সেখানে যেতে যেতে. And number three, যখনই সে এখানে এসেছিল সবাই হাসতেছিল. So okay, so now I'm going to translate it. এটা অত সহজ নয় কিন্তু তোমার চেষ্টা করা উচিত. Most of the people can say it's not easy but you should try, right? But I'm going to advance English, right? That have a look. It's not your cup of tea. Okay, it's not your cup of tea, but you should try. Okay, it's not your cup of tea but you should try. And cup of tea means সহজ. Okay, সহজ নয়. So this is idioms. Okay, idioms means phrase. Number two, তোমার ভাবা উচিত সেখানে যেতে যেতে. You should think. যেতে যেতে means well going there. তোমার ভাবা উচিত সেখানে যেতে যেতে. You should think well going there. Okay, and number three, যখনই সে এখানে এসেছিল সবাই হাসতেছিল. এখানে as soon as বসবে. As soon as he came here, everybody started laughing. As soon as he came here, everybody started laughing. যখনই সে এখানে এসেছিল সবাই হাসতেছিল. Okay, and this the end of this translate class, and make sentences as much as you can, and this way you can achieve your you can sense your communication skill. Okay, that can really help you to improve your English. So have a great day. See you some other time. Bye.